Hello Fabzlist viewers. Today I'm going to talk about a very helpful household product, which is the Dryel at-home dry cleaning system. Here you go. So I've been using Dryel for about 3 years now and I really like this product. One thing is that it's super easy to use. Second, it saves me the hassle of running back and forth to the dry cleaners. And the third thing is it's safe to use on a variety of fabrics. So that way I use it for my husband's suits, my work outfits, my fancy dresses, my daughter's stuffed toys, and even for drapes, comforters and blankets. So that way it's super useful. Now let's talk about what comes with the Dryel starter kit. It comes with a stain pen. It comes with the dryer activated cleaning cloth, the patented steam bag, which is also a reusable bag, and odor and wrinkle releaser. So basically after you dry clean, if you still have wrinkles on your garment, you can just spray it onto it and it will release the wrinkles. Then you have the user guide, which gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use the Dryel kit, along with a coupon for your refills for the Dryel clothes. So that way it's cool, right? So as we were talking, what comes with this Dryel starter kit is the stain pen, which is used to remove any tough stains on the garment. Just directly apply it on the stain and then you're ready to place it into this steam bag, which is also a reusable steam bag. And then with the garment, you place one of the dryer activated cleaning cloth. You just place that with it and then zip it up, and you're ready to tumble dry it in your dryer for about 15 to 30 minutes in medium heat. So that's how you use the product. So you can add 1 to 5 garments for each load in the steam bag, and this total kit can clean up to 20 garments. So that's a good number. That was a little peek into the Dryel at-home dry cleaning system. Hope you got an idea of how to use it, and you guys should definitely give it a try. It's a super useful product.